All right, so we've gone all over these lands. We've gone in the air. We've soaring around. Where else can we find leaves? Where could leaves be? Maybe under the sea? Let's go check to see if Lee's is under the sea. Maybe Ariel has seen her. Let's go find out.
Like the laser thing. It's
Woo! Stand by, right? 15 minutes. You got a good day, Mark.
Không hay có, không hay có.
Your mouth's still okay after you.
Yeah.
You said. Down, push up, push up.
Don't push down too far, Mark.
I was a small My story is not near as interesting as Ariel's. You know Ariel, the mermaid? What a voice. What a beautiful voice. The evil sea which tricked Ariel's voice to make always
Under the sea. Here we go. Under the sea. Did you find Nemo yet? There's Ariel.
I got to lose it, Ariel. You want to make the ones? I get 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be.
This world, it's like sea. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. Ariel, listen to me. You don't have to get out and back anyone to where they belong. We got so much out there. Seems like it's you got to hear it under the sea. This baby, this and this strong, the chocolate has been the plastic of pain, the top, the fruit is the look out so. You can play the lead songs, the rock popping out the blackfish, the sea, the stem, and the flag, they know where it's at, I know that they under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down with it, better Genie from me. Like the show they were talking, out in the sun, listening to me. While we devoted, for time to floaty under the sea. Now before the fish is happy, it's all I know is to do.
Poor child. We told her that Ursula could help her and her prince be together. Oh, Ursula.
So true. Yes, I do. Just a blue moons of the Caspian Sea. Brings us glossitis, next laryngitis, love shaped you I admit in the past I've been nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me a witch. But you'll find that nowadays I've mended all my ways. Repentance in the night of me to switch. Yes. Unfortunate souls. Outside, they need to shake to buy on this girl. I see her sitting there across me. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why.
Otherwise, what's the word? Nuts. That'll come to me. But anyway, that's the story of our little mermaid.
Here you are. You had a wonderful time. Now, please step out on your neck. Goodbye.
I didn't see leaves in there.
So good to see you.
Couldn't find leaves.
Step out to your left.
There you go. Got ejected from there, didn't you?